Redmi Note 13 4G, a budget phone with 6.6-inch AMOLED display, a Snapdragon 685 processor, a 108 megapixel camera, and 5000 mAh battery. What does it mean it's the best phone at this price range? Welcome to Tech Guide. Let's dive in and find out. Before we get into the detailed review, let's first unbox the Redmi Note 13 4G and see what Xiaomi provides in the package. Inside the box, we get a 30 watt fast charger, and it's really nice to see Xiaomi still provides this in the package. A USB Type-A to Type-C charging cable, a protective case, a SIM ejector tool, some user manuals, and of course the Redmi Note 13 4G. Now, let's take a closer look at the phone itself. Starting with the design, Xiaomi has made some stable yet noticeable improvements to the Redmi Note 13, which has a better front glass protection and IP rating compared to its predecessor, the Redmi Note 12. The back panel and frame are plastic, which is an absolute fingerprint magnet, so I would definitely suggest you to use a case. It weighs around 188 grams and has a thickness of 7.6 mm. Making it comfortable to hold and use with one hand. It features a glass front with Corning Gorilla Glass tear protection, while the back panel and frame are made of plastic. Despite this, the phone still feels premium in hand thanks to the refined design and matte finish on some color variants. One of the highlights is the IP54 rating, which means it can handle light splashes and dust while it won't survive a dip in the pool. It will handle light rain and accidental spills without an issue. Now, let's talk about one of the strongest points of this phone, the display. The Redmi Note 13 comes with 6.6-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel, delivering sharp visuals and a 395 ppi pixel density. This is a major win in the budget. The colors are vibrant and the contrast is excellent. And thanks to the 1000 nits peak brightness, it's easy to use even in bright sunlight. Whether you are watching a video on YouTube, scrolling through social media, or even playing games, the 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth animations. In terms of performance, under the hood, Redmi Note 13 4G is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 chipset. This is a 6nm octa-core processor featuring Adreno 610 GPU for graphics and gaming tasks. In terms of real-world performance, you get a smooth use for everyday tasks like web browsing, social media, and multitasking. For casual gaming, you can play PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty on medium setting. In terms of benchmark scores, an Antutu score around 370,000, placing it in upper budget segment. For storage and RAM, the Redmi Note 13 comes with multiple options. Plus, you can expand the storage up to 1TB by using a SD card, but it shares a slot with SIM card. Battery life is one of the most crucial aspects of any smartphone. And in terms of Xiaomi phones, battery is always one of their strongest points. And they didn't disappoint on this one either. The Redmi Note 13 4G has a massive 5000 mAh battery. This ensures all day use even for heavy users. The Redmi Note 13 4G supports 30 watt fast charging, which is pretty decent at this price range. You will get from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes, and for a full charge it will take around 70 minutes. It's not the fastest charger in the market, but it's pretty fast for this price range. Plus, you will actually get the charger in the box, which is a rare thing in these days. For a single charge, we can expect around 8 to 10 hours of a screen on time to do things like social media and web browsing. But if you want to play games like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty, you're gonna have to charge it after 5 or 6 hours. Even with heavy multitasking, the Snapdragon 685 efficiency ensures the battery drain is well managed. Plus, the AMOLED display power consumption is lower than traditional LCD screens. Let's talk about the software. Redmi Note 13 4G runs Android 13 with Xiaomi's new HyperOS. HyperOS is designed to be lighter, faster, more responsive and more efficient compared to old MIUI. Some of the major improvements are smooth animations, optimized RAM management, new control center and setting UI, and a lot of more customizable settings. Also, Xiaomi has promised 3 years of Android updates and 4 years of security updates for Redmi Note 13 4G. Now let's talk about the cameras. The Redmi Note 13 4G comes with dual camera setup. A 108 megapixel wide camera as the main sensor, delivering sharp, high quality resolution images, and a 2 megapixel depth lens which helps with portrait mode shots. As the result, you can capture amazing photos with this phone. For selfies, there is a 16 megapixel front camera which can capture decent selfies in good lighting. Redmi Note 13 can record 1080p videos at 30 fps, but unfortunately there is no 4K recording. So that's it for full review of Redmi Note 13 4G. Overall, it's a solid budget phone that delivers great display, reliable performance, and a long-lasting battery at an affordable price around $150. While it has some limitations, like lack of 4K recording and ultra-wide camera, in my opinion, it still offers great value for money. But now I want to hear your opinion. What do you think about Redmi Note 13 4G? Would you consider buying it or not? Tell me your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.